Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Charge the phone, connect to Wi-Fi, and have your Google account details ready. Once done, check whether you remember a PIN or pattern. If not, prepare a PC and USB cable for ADB steps. Make sure developer options and USB debugging were enabled previously. If they weren't, you'll use account recovery instead. This first stage gets tools and access aligned, so the next actions let you regain the lock screen without needless delays. Next, you use remote and local methods together to remove the lock. First, try Find My Device. Sign in, select Secure or Erase only if necessary, and attempt to reset the lock PIN remotely. If USB debugging is on, connect to a PC and use a DB shell commands to temporarily disable lock screen files. This is faster and preserves data. If neither works, follow Google account recovery flows, verify with secondary email or phone, then set a new lock once you regain access. Finally, once you regain entry, reboot and immediately set a secure lock method. Use a strong PIN or biometric enrollment and enable Find My Device and USB debugging if you'll manage remotely. If the device refuses access, try Safe Mode to rule out third-party lock apps. If data remains inaccessible, a factory reset will recover device function but erase data, so use it only as last resort. If the bootloader is locked or commands fail, contact the manufacturer or carrier for authorized support. Don't attempt risky hacks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.